This is David's current project. My mom's toilet was very low, hard for her to sit down and get up because of bad knees. So we are rising up her toilet with this riser. It's called a toilevator. David and I looked for a long time for what to do for her. So we were on Amazon and we saw this riser, which is cheaper and easier to do this than it would be to buy her a 19-inch toilet to put in. So David is here putting it in for her, and we will show you what it looks like after.
Did that come with the toilevator?
This, yeah. I can't get these. There we go. Got one in.
Oh, the screws in.
The yellow sealant you see there comes with this toilevator. It came with 2 seals, screws, and that white part there, the pipe that you see to connect them together.
I think at some point I might look at the directions.
You didn't look at the directions. So does that push down in there so that seals? Good. Wow. So that rubber down there came with this? That yellow rubber came with?
Yeah,
Oh.
this is wax, yeah.
Oh. So both of these waxes came with the toilevator?
Yes.
Oh. Wow, it comes with the sealant and everything. And the screws. Did you need any special tools? Just regular tools?
Well, I had to,
Nice.
I couldn't get this old nut off,
Oh.
so I had to cut it off with a grinder. Now, I need to probably get some room to tip that toilet up.
Here, David put the riser up against the toilet to measure about where the screws go. Oh, I see how long it is.
Get that old wax off of there. Can you give me a
You want me to get you something?
couple pieces of paper towel?
Yeah.
Good chance to.
Dry?
Yep. Good chance to clean some of this old schmegma out of here. You know what schmegma is, right?
Yes. Smegma?
Schmegma.
Smegma?
Schmegma.
Oh.
It's a New
Do you know
England.
what smegma is?
Schmegma. You
Smegma.
guys say schmegma. It's an old New England term. Man, it's gross.
So here you can see him pressing down to form it and press the wax into the sealed area. Ever think this stuff's in time? Something wasn't quite right, so when that happens, you get out the directions.
Makes sense.
And sure enough, David saw what he was missing. So he takes the toilet back off. He forgot to put the little washers onto the screws. Something as small as that made a difference in the fit
You might not want to.
and the tightness. So what did you get ahead of yourself with?
I should have put
Oh, washers on first.
They don't give you any extra nuts. So if I drop
You dropped one down.
down that hole, we'll go into the hardware store.
So that's nice and tight down there. Well, that makes sense to make it tight before you even put it on there.
That makes sense. Anybody intelligent would have known that before they. Put it together. Well, I'm glad I did look at the directions in that book.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it did feel good.
Oh, so it had enough. You had enough room.
Yeah.